It's Monday. I'm in the Baltimore County District Court on Chesapeake Avenue. All right. I sent Judge Richardson this information about the corruption in the courts. Fox 45 pays these judges out here a lot of money to keep them what they're doing. Fox 45 knowingly file false papers with the court. Now the court tells me I got to jump through hoops to file papers against Fox 45. No matter what hoops I got to file, I'm going to file them. In 2011, y'all took my truck, you took my computer, you took the information about Fox 45. Well, I'm back to make sure that this is taken care of. Right here, that's a court order and a body attachment for my property. Nobody got arrested for that. That's court order, a body attachment. A truck, a computer, and 13 storyboards. One of them storyboards was about Fox 45, a lesson before dying. That's court order for my property to be returned. I never got my property back. I'm supposed to be compensated freely, duly, in the expense and the convenience of the government. That's the Constitution. That's Baltimore City, because Fox tried this in Baltimore City. So I want a trial. I want a court date. Same way you dragged me through the mud, I'm going to drag you through the mud. They told me that they took the peace order off. So anytime I see Fox 45, I'm shutting you down. I'm going to make you take me to court. And you're going to bring this information. Governor Hogan, Ivan Bates. You got shielding law violations by Fox 45 and Armstrong Williams in the Baltimore Sun, because David Smith owned both of them. I'm a whistleblower on the courts and the corruption in the courts. And you're going to be my main witness. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. And we do in Baltimore, rewired the money behind the machine. That's Scott Shellenberger and Ivan Bates. Release all material to the voters. You feel me? That's Fox 45, ABC, NBC. And that's Town Hall, Community in Crisis, 1402 Lockner in 2009. Locked me up for making a documentary about your politics and your politicians. That's the NAACP. And we talking about your prison industry. That's notarized, legal in any state. That's the IRS. I'm out $250 million in intellectual property. See that? 2015, 2014. False imprisonment. The courts just sent this back. All right? Those are the forged checks that the court got. You feel me? That's Governor O'Malley, Congressman Cummings, Senator Hardin, Mikulski, Richard McFeely, the FBI, Judge Bell, Judge Pearson, Judge Turnbull, Judge Boris, Judge Quinn. You feel me? Shorty, pull your mask up? No, we're going to unmask Baltimore. Those is the criminal charges I filed against Scott Shellenberger. And I'm going to do it again. That's the Baltimore Sun, Armstrong Williams. And like I said, activism ain't terrorism. That's notarized. That's notarized. I'm an activist in Baltimore, just like Harriet Tubman. That's the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. See that? Ivan Bates, Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. Ivan Bates made the movie You Got a Monster? Well, I'm defeating the beast. And right here, that's my toilet. And Judge Richardson had this. That makes you parties to a crime because you had evidence and knowledge of the corruption and you didn't speak on it or do nothing about it. You gave me back this information and didn't act on that. So that makes that judge parties to a crime. Baltimore City's under the consent decree. Baltimore County ain't. You're going to bring a federal investigation to Baltimore County, and we're going to go after your courts. Called checks and balances. 2025, we're going to check y'all. I go to jail for the right reasons. Call a good kind of trouble. I could put more toilets out. We see how many toilets it's going to take before I go to court again. Watch me.